Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson from Automotive. Today I have a 2017 Ford Fusion SE, clean Carfax, one owner. This car also got the well-maintained badge from Carfax as well, just meaning it's had all its proper service done on this car. I'm gonna walk you around and show you some features on it real fast. Here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Now you are still gonna have the remaining of the factory warranty on this. You have a 3-year 36 bumper to bumper and a 6-year 60,000 powertrain warranty. So you're gonna have the remaining factory warranty on here. Always nice to have. Good shot of your inside. There's no rips or tears in the seat. This car is also a non-smoker. Gonna have a power passenger seat. No cracks or fading in the dash. Carpet's extremely clean as well too. Now our repair shop has inspected this vehicle as well. Now we also put a warranty on this vehicle, so you're gonna be covered. Good shot of your back seat again. No rips or tears in the passenger seats. No funny smells inside of this car. Now we do have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24. We also work with people that are rebuilding their credit. Now this car is going to be equipped with backup sensors and a backup camera as well too. There's no major dings, dents, or scratch in this car. This car has been very well taken care of. Again, this is a 2017 Ford Fusion SE, clean Carfax, one owner. It's going to have the remaining of the factory warranty on it. We have financing available. My name is Tim with Automotive. Just feel free to give me a call or text. Just let me know how I can help you out. Be more than happy to do anything I can for you. Let's hop in the driver's seat and look around a little more. You do have power windows, power locks, power driver's seat. Again, there's no rips or tears in the driver's seat. Inside. Now you got the nice touchscreen inside. You are going to have a backup camera on this car as well too. So there's your backup camera. You're going to have dual temperature control, so your passenger going to have one temperature and the driver going to have another temperature. Got the nice turn dial there. And this car's also a push button start as well too. There is no rock chips in the window. Again, 2017 Ford Focus SE, clean Carfax. We have financing available, rates as low as 4.24. Feel free, give me a call or text. Just let me know how I can help you out. Phone number 309-310-3034.